Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted source for smart, secure, and connected living solutions. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic that's transforming modern homes: how video intercom installations can increase your home's value while adding convenience, safety, and style. In today's real estate market, homeowners are looking for upgrades that don't just look good but add value. A professionally installed video intercom system is one of those high-impact improvements that instantly enhances your home's appeal to potential buyers. Why? Because it provides security, communication, and comfort all in one system. A video intercom allows you to see who's at your door before opening it, giving you control over every visitor. This peace of mind is priceless, especially for families, seniors, and anyone living alone. With mobile connectivity, you can even answer your door from anywhere, viewing and speaking with visitors right from your smartphone. Now, let's talk about property value. Smart home features are no longer a luxury, they're an expectation. Homes equipped with modern communication systems like video intercoms often sell faster and at higher prices because they offer advanced convenience and safety features that buyers are actively looking for. It's an affordable way to give your property a technological edge in a competitive market. For multi-unit or apartment buildings, a video intercom system adds even more value. It simplifies access control, enhances security, and reduces unwanted entry, making it appealing to both tenants and property managers. It's a long-term investment that increases both the marketability and resale potential of your property. At Comm Systems, we specialize in professional video intercom installations for homes, apartments, and businesses throughout New York City and the surrounding areas. Our expert technicians ensure every installation is clean, reliable, and seamlessly integrated with your existing systems. We work with trusted brands and the latest technologies to deliver systems that are durable, easy to use, and built to last. Whether you're upgrading your family home, managing a building, or preparing your property for sale, a video intercom installation from Comm Systems is a smart investment that boosts both security and home value. Contact us today to learn how we can make your property safer, smarter, and more attractive to buyers. Like and subscribe for more smart technology insights from Comm Systems, your trusted partner in communication and security solutions. Call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit us online www.dvcsny.com.